Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. In the following course, we will take a deep dive into security and access control features in Titan Web. We will learn how to configure authentication for our end users, limit access to specific pages or features depending on the current user, and talk about best practices when working with Salesforce data. Today, I want to talk about the importance of proper security control and the different Titan solutions, and when it's best to use each one of them. Titan Web is a very powerful tool, and it's important to constantly be aware of the information that you are revealing to customers. Let's say we have a web portal for our systems admin to be able to view, edit, and delete Salesforce accounts. If we don't implement any authentication in our project, anyone with the link can access the portal and do as they wish. Titan offers 3 solutions for authentication. SmartV, a robust two-factor authentication method that works directly with Salesforce objects. This can be useful when setting up portals for your customers. SSO allows you to use any SSO provider, including Salesforce, to authenticate your end users. This method can be useful for internal portals that will be used by your company's employees. Finally, we have authentication tokens, which allow you to create authentication tokens using our API, which can then be passed in the project's URL to allow access to the project for a short amount of time. This is useful if the end user is not known ahead of time and needs a temporary link with access to the project. In addition to authentication, we have a feature called access control, which works with the aforementioned methods to limit end users to specific project pages, features, or elements. You can make some of your project pages public, while others can only be accessible through a login page. So grab a project and join me in the next video.